If you're working in DaVinci Resolve and notice your audio waveforms are missing in the timeline, don't worry. There are a few simple fixes to try. Let's walk through them step by step. First, make sure the waveforms are enabled in your timeline view settings. Below the preview window, you'll see a button that opens the timeline view options. Click it and a list will appear with various features you can toggle on or off. Look for an option called Display Waveforms or something similar and make sure it's checked. If it's already enabled, let's explore other possibilities. Another common issue is that the audio track height might be too small to display the waveforms properly. To fix this, return to the timeline view settings. Look for an option to adjust the track height for both video and audio. Increase the height of your audio track and you should start seeing the waveforms appear. This can also make editing easier since the waveforms are now more visible. If the issue persists, the problem could be related to cache settings or file optimization. Head to the Project Settings menu, then scroll down until you see the section for cache clip or optimized media settings. Check that the cache location is valid and that there's enough storage space available. In some cases, very large or unoptimized media files can delay or prevent waveforms from loading properly. If your files are unoptimized, consider generating optimized media to speed things up. By following these steps, you should be able to bring your waveforms back and get your timeline working as expected. Thanks for watching.